Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and have you ever wanted to try and make your own dressings? Well, you can make whatever dressing you want with this OXO Good Grip Chef Squeeze bottle. It can hold up to 175 milliliters. The bottle is see-through and has a wonderful top that is so well designed. You just spin the base off and then the nozzle just pops right off. You can now put in any of your spices, your seasonings. I love that this has a wide opening because it allows me to put my garlic press straight in and then I can easily scrape it off the edge. And that wide mouth allows me to easily put in any of the liquids, mustard, vinegars, and olive oil. You can also use a funnel to make sure you don't lose any of that yummy goodness. You put the nozzle back on, screw the base. That nozzle has a nice cap that's attached to it. The indicators on the side show how much you have just made. You can shake that up without worrying that it's going to get all over the place. It's not that big or bulky, and it's so easy to place on the table with your dinner. You can now have a variety of specialty salads with healthy, delicious, homemade dressing. I love how easily you can make sure it is well mixed so that you can enjoy all of that goodness on your salad. And that cap is so easy and convenient to close and to put aside. I just love the size of this. It fits so easily in so many places on the table and especially in the fridge with the rest of your dressings in that side door pocket. And that's my point of view.